We all love potatoes and we're always looking to make new and different dishes and recipes with potatoes. Today I'm going to show you a very nice recipe. This is cheesy stuffed potatoes. Now why wait? Let's get into the recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. For the potato salad, first I'm going to boil the potatoes. For this, take a nice saucepan, add enough water for boiling. The reason you don't want to pressure cook is it can get very mushy. For this recipe, I'm using 4 large potatoes with skin. So just boil the potatoes in a saucepan. Once the water comes to a boil, add a little salt. So the potatoes have been boiling for about 20 minutes. So you can see if you prick a fork through the potato, it's nice and soft. So turn off the stove, remove the potatoes from the water. Cut the potatoes into half vertically. So you can see they've cooked perfectly. Now I'm just going to scoop off from the center. Make sure you have a thick wall. If it's too thin, it can just fall apart. So just leave a little room for the wall. Now you can just gently scoop it out from the center. So you can see I've scooped out the center from the boiled potatoes, and there's a little wall here that I have left. So when I stuff the potatoes, it won't fall apart or come out. Place the scooped potatoes into a bowl. So I'm going to use these potatoes for the stuffing. I'm just going to mash the potatoes a bit. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of softened butter, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, a few chopped coriander leaves. Season it with 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt according to taste. Freshly crushed pepper, ½ teaspoon chili flakes. Mix everything together. So you can see the filling has come together beautifully. If you like the potato mash a little more gooey and soft, you can just add a little milk or just a little hot water to get the right consistency. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of hot water. The filling is done. I'm going to scoop a little bit of the filling and place it into the potato shells. Just grate some cheese on top. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now for this you can either use butter or oil. Just make sure the butter coats the pan completely. So once it's melted, reduce the flame. Now just place the stuffed potatoes into the pan. Just going to sprinkle a few chili flakes. I'm just going to close the pan. Keep the flame on medium and cook the potatoes till the cheese melts. The potatoes are done. Turn off the stove. You can see the cheese has melted beautifully. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The cheesy stuffed potatoes are done. Serve it nice and hot. So there you go. Here is a nice way to enjoy these potatoes with the skin. It's stuffed with this lovely filling and this nice cheesy topping. It makes for a very nice party snack. So do try this and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.